With ChildFriendly, take command of your daycare's registration onboarding processes using customized checklists tailored to your administrative needs. Let's dive into the features that will simplify your onboarding journey. When a child registers, their submission goes to the onboarding enrollment dashboard, where information essential to completing the onboarding process are organized and displayed. Clicking on the child's name reveals a convenient information screen on the right, allowing easy access without leaving the onboarding screen. Here, you are able to review and make changes to their registration. In the dashboard, there are 3 main onboarding tasks: collecting deposit payments, banking information, and ensuring parents' signature required agreements in their parent portal. As families work through these tasks, each completed item is checked off automatically, saving you time and keeping you organized. But what about additional onboarding tasks? Did you remember to give the new family a tour? What about adding a label to their cubby? On the onboarding enrollment dashboard, you can add custom checklist tasks effortlessly. Click Add/Remove Custom Fields and tailor the checklist to your needs. Once you're ready to confirm that all onboarding tasks are done for the new family, simply click Complete, and they are removed from the onboarding dashboard. You can still access their information anytime from the Families module where all your families are stored. But what if you don't want to enroll the new family? That is no problem. Simply remove them to the waitlist for a potential future spot or deny them if their enrollment isn't suitable. Denials remove their registration request and they are tagged for reference and easy filtering in the Families module. Private notes can also be added for future reference. ChildFriendly's waitlist dashboard offers an overview of waitlisted children. Customize fields, add notes, and prioritize based on your daycare's needs. Easily find matches when space becomes available by filtering for programs, ages, and more. When a spot opens, seamlessly move the desired match from the waitlist to onboarding enrollment. View their profile to confirm the registration and charge a deposit. An automated email request for deposit will be sent. Once payment has been completed, the onboarding enrollment dashboard will automatically update the deposit with a green check mark. Tired of manually monitoring children's enrollments end dates? Worse, do you occasionally overlook a child's registration schedule ending, especially when they haven't given notice of withdrawal? Does this oversight result in missed billing? Introducing the Ending Enrollment Dashboard, which automatically populates all students with registrations ending in the next month. Review the list, confirm withdrawal dates, and add custom checklists to streamline the withdrawal process. With ChildFriendly, simplify and streamline your registration onboarding, waitlist, and withdrawing experience.